Hello, this is McKay with Tech for Seniors, and today I'll be showing how you can stay healthy with technology. So first up, I want to explain a topic called wearable health devices. These devices typically include fitness trackers, smartwatches, and medical devices, and they all monitor different aspects of your health. Regarding fitness trackers, they are wearable devices that monitor your physical health and fitness. And do this by recording functions such as your heart rate, steps, calories, and other quantitative measures of physical health. In addition to this, fitness trackers can also help you track and set up activities like sports and workouts. Here's a lineup of fitness trackers available today. Next up is smartwatches. Smartwatches are watches that have all fitness tracker features along with smartphone features, including calling, texting, emailing, and other applications like that. The only downside with smartwatches is that they tend to be a bit more pricier than traditional fitness trackers. Here's a lineup of smartwatches. So now I'm going to demo with my Apple Watch here. So as you can see from its main screen, you can tell the time, check the date, look at the weather, and see how much battery it has left. But if you click this button right here and get to the app section menu, you can see this app called Activity. If you click Activity, you can see how much physical activities you can for the day. So, and these rings represent that. You can also scroll down and see more specific numerical data, including your step counts, how much time you exercise for, and other stuff like that. Now, if you go back to the app menu, you can scroll down, and if you get all the way to the end, there's an app called Workout. You go to Workout, you're able to choose and select many different types of sports and workouts. Going back to the app menu, if you go to, let's say, text, you're able to receive messages. So I have my mom's text open right now. Let me just send a message to her phone. And as you can see, you're able to get messages. And if you want to respond, you can click this message box right here. And you're able to trace out the names. You are able to type up a message, send it, and then you will be able to receive it on the other end. There's many more features like that in the Apple Watch, and if you really want to know more, there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube that detail the rest of them. Now I'll talk about patient portals. Patient portals are online tools that allow you to manage your healthcare. In patient portals, you can access your health records, schedule appointments, communicate with your provider, access financial information and billing, and do much more. It is important to note, however, that your provider is the best source for your patient portal information because they are the ones who decide what patient portal to use. One patient portal that I like to talk about is called MyChart. MyChart is one of the most popular patient portals out there with roughly 160 million concurrent users. And in MyChart, you are able to view all the things that I discussed earlier. An example of MyChart's patient portal is to your right. MyChart's URL is mychart.org, and if you want to know how to use MyChart, feel free to search up that bit.ly. I'll pause for just a second. And this bit.ly directs you to a playlist created by Epic Systems, MyChart's creator, and it comprehensively details how to use MyChart. Some tips and tricks regarding patient portals is that you should always try to schedule appointments at the patient portal because it makes it convenient for everyone. You should only really use the patient portal for simple transactions because sometimes The medical assistant is the one who's responding to your request, and you should never really rely on the patient portal for everything, since in-person formats will always be better. And last but not least, you should always try to be patient when using the patient portal, because sometimes the patient portal can be a bit finicky and requests may take up to 72 hours to be processed. Thank you for listening.